Oh, guys, I didn't think that this video is going to be uploaded onto YouTube because it's basically so called too long. I'm guessing that there's a problem with YouTube. He probably thinks that I can't get him yet, but I have no clip skills. I've arrested so many people, and now is his time to get arrested. Base. It's literally the one place that he could be. He can't be anywhere else. Or he probably just left the game. They're not sure. People are getting so close to killing me, but they didn't actually kill me, and that's the fun of it. That's the fun part. That you literally just like get to kill people. They didn't even know, like, let's say just they didn't even know like one thing that they should have got, or one thing that they should have done. It's fun. Okay, guys, let me just upload these videos that I've made, and I'm going to come back. Okay, peace.